Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all my recipe for a chicken wonton. This is going to be the most flavorful, delicious and easy recipe you'll make. So if you'd like to see how I make this, keep watching. Okay guys, to make this chicken wontons, I have here chicken that I minced up. You can buy minced chicken if you like. I like it more of a meaty wonton than when you buy grind minced meat. It's very mushy, so I chopped up my own meat. So to this, we're gonna season with some Chinese seasoning salt. The recipe, which can be found on my channel, and I'll also leave it in the description box for you all. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of sesame oil. It's gonna add that nice toasted flavor. In goes some chopped scallions, or as we say in Trinidad, scythe. 2 pimento peppers chopped. It's gonna add so much flavor to this. And I'm adding in some green seasoning or some cilantro seasoning, and we're going to give this a mix. Now you'll notice I did not add any additional salt. I didn't because my Chinese seasoning salt has salt. Now if you didn't want to use a Chinese seasoning salt, you can use some salt with some black pepper and some white pepper to make a mixture. So we're just going to give this a mix. Make sure it's mixed in properly and set it aside and allow it to marinate for about 15 minutes. If you wanted to add some soy sauce to the filling, you can, but I don't want to darken the filling, so hence the reason why I'm not adding in any. Okay, now to wrap our wonton. So you're going to take 1 wonton skin and you're going to take some of your filling and place it in the center. Now remember, this is chicken. You don't want to put too much of filling in the center because wontons tend to fry really quickly, so a little bit, hence the reason why we're using minced meat. Now we're going to lightly wet 2 of those edges. Take the dry edge, bring it over. We're going to form a triangle. You want to press down to seal the edges. Then the tip of the triangle, we're going to push it under. We're going to wet one of the other tip, and then we're going to bring the 2 together like this. Now this is just a way that I like to make my wontons or wrap my wontons, so feel free to wrap them however you like. So I'm going to continue wrapping these wontons and I'll see you guys right back. Okay, now it's time to fry our wontons. We're going to fry them on a medium-low heat. Remember, you want that chicken filling to cook properly. So I would say about 2-3 minutes for each until they're light golden brown. Don't overcrowd the pan because the oil will get cold. So I want to give you guys a tip. Fry one, make sure the oil is at that temperature where it's perfect to cook the chicken on the inside. Test it, eat it, make sure it's cooked, open it, make sure it's cooked all the way through. If you're frying it and it's getting brown too quickly, you'll need to drop your heat back a little. Okay, once the wontons have a really beautiful color, go ahead and take them out and drain them on your paper towels. Okay guys, here you have it, my chicken wonton recipe. I'm just gonna dip into this. I want to bite into it so you all can hear it, and I want you all to see what the inside of it looks like. Wow guys, this really does taste amazing, and can you all tell the filling is properly cooked? Guys, this tasted so amazing. That pimento pepper really gives it a nice flavor. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe everyone.